Nan, mababaw kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
So sa mga guys dyan na naghahanap ng napaka-social at saka mapapa-in-love na gift para sa mga girlfriends or mga kasintahan ninyo, itong feature natin for today is suited para sa inyo.
Yes, so they are the original creator of chocolate Dreamcake.
Yes, so finally natuntun din natin kung saan nagsimula ang craze ng mga Dreamcake. Yes. Ito po yung ang Sucre Lab dito po sa SM City, Clark, Pampanga. So if you want to know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Right, so again guys, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And syempre, nagpapasalamat tayo kay Sucre Lab for inviting us. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa SM City Clark. So just a bit of information. So si Sucre Lab started in South, so in Manila. And just a trivia, ayan, sa kanila po registered ang pangalan na Dreamcake.
They're the original creator of Dreamcake.
Kapag sinabi natin Dreamcake, visualize natin, na-imagine natin are these kinds of cake in a tub.
Yes.
So we have, right now, meron tayong 4 flavors want us to try on.
So on our table, meron tayo dito yung kanilang tinatawag na Mango Dreamcake.
Mango Dreamcake. Yes. So this is the premium truffles. Ayan. Yes. So in it, ayan, meron tayong
4 flavors.
4 different kinds of truffles.
So meron tayo ditong dark mocha, Uji matcha, caramel, and classic dark.
Just to let you know guys, meron silang pouch pack din. So gusto mo ng isang flavor lang ng truffle, so available siya dito. Ayan. So any of the 4 available po siya. Okay, on my side, so meron tayo ditong this is the red velvet Dreamcake. So in the middle, meron pa siyang parang edible medallion.
Wow, nice.
And then lastly, for the Dreamcakes, ayan. So meron tayo ditong ayan. So the chocolate Dreamcake in itself, kung saan ito yung nagsimula lahat ng ano natin, ng mga Dreamcake natin dito.
In addition, gusto nyo naman ng guilt-free na Dreamcake. So meron din silang available dito na guiltless chocolate.
And for sure, sa mga health buff, mga nagda-diet, those are into keto, yun talaga yung hinahanap nila. Nagkikrave pa rin naman yung mga sugar pero if you want that guiltless Dreamcake, ika nga, so available to sila dito.
So for their sizes naman, they are available in 946 ml can or yung kanilang 220 ml can. Ayan.
Alright, so for the drinks naman, we have Midnight Dream, and then this is the white chocolate matcha. Okay. So usually, Mark, for you, no, given these options, what do you usually go first?
Siguro ako, una kong mga titikman, more on the fruit side daw. So itong kanilang mango Dreamcake.
Okay. I think so. So ako rin, mag-uumpisa ako dito sa kanilang red velvet para save the best for last natin yung pinaka-original kung saan lahat nagsimula yung mga Dreamcakes natin. So dito sa red velvet natin, if you notice guys, meron tayong red velvet crumbs dun sa pinaka-top natin, and then it has white chocolate disc, and then meron siyang cream cheese. Look at that! Whoa!
What is good thing here is talagang napaka-presentable nila, and sa tingin pa lang ang sarap na ng kainin.
Wow! Wow! Actually sabi nung crew natin dito earlier, hindi daw talaga siya nakakasawa, and I attest it. It's not too sweet. Itong actually red velvet na to, it's not too doesn't lean towards sour na usual mga red velvet. This was good.
Same time din, yung mga mango nila is yung siguro not on the sour side, na which is ma-enjoy mo siya, and hindi naman siya sobrang sweet na parang maumay ka. Nasa middle lang siya, which is ang sarap niyang kainin, lalo na pag malamig. So
even yung mga senior citizen is nag-enjoy din sila dun sa mango flavor natin. For their price, no? Ang lakas makaano nito, yung kumbaga makakilig kapag ginamit mo siya as a gift, no? You can actually bring it up until 4 hours travel time. It can really hold itself. Very presentable pa yun siya. And recommendation din nila, coming from the freezer, at least 30 minutes, yan, let it soften in itself. Okay, so So for me guys, dun sa refreshment natin is a matcha flavored beverage.
Sa akin naman yung sa Midnight Dream chocolate.
Yeah, sa akin physical appearance, it looks really creamy.
Ito naman meron siyang pudding inside. So for sure, yung mga mahilig sa chocolate, talagang ito yung pinaka-best sa inyo.
Alright, let's taste it. Wow, ako naman guys, I gotta give you a word of caution. It's really matcha in taste. Strong matcha in taste para sa akin.
Actually, even yung kaninang chocolate, ito yung parang mga dark chocolate. Yung mga ingredients nila are imported from other countries.
Yes.
Yeah.
Other products that they serve here, so meron po tayong carrot walnut muffin, we have mixed fruit oatmeal streusel muffin, chocolate chip muffin, double chocolate muffin, we also have chocolate cookie, fudge brownie, so a lot of options for you guys. It's a great, place to chill inside SM City Clark. Okay, so for the truffles, let's get one each, and then dive na tayo dito sa natin, Dreamcake. Look at that.
Tikman natin para malaman natin yung flavor nila.
Oh wow, it's you got a chocolate coating which is a little bit crunchy, and then yung pinaka inside niya, this one, soft chocolate, very chocolatey.
Yung akin naman nakuha is yung kanilang ng caramel. So yung pinakalabas niya is a hardened chocolate.
Yes.
Para siguro ma-hold yung pinaka flavor.
Correct.
Tapos yung caramel nasa loob.
Wow, I like this. Ito yung gusto ko. So they are in bite size. Kumuha ka ng isang pouch, parang you're not gonna stop. Parang ma-addict ka, tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ito yung mga papapakin mo habang nagbabiyahe ka or nanonood ka ng Netflix. This is the best.
Si Sucre Lab dito po sa SM City Clark is the first franchise that is outside Metro Manila.
So yung pinaka-top niya,
yes,
it's a hardened chocolate.
They call it actually chocolate disc.
Yes.
Ayan. And then, if you straight to the bottom, meron pa siyang different kinds of layers. Whoa! I gotta say guys, this is one of the most premium cakes I've ever had.
Napaka-loaded of chocolates niya. Top to bottom, ang sarap ng chocolate niya.
Ang sarap in taste, and at the same time, yung texture niya sa bibig mo, it doesn't have that impurity, yung parang lit-lit na grainy, something like that.
Loaded of chocolates talaga.
Look at that.
Wow.
Grabe, Mark. What can you say about the food or the dessert that we had right now?
So yung for our dessert, yung mga cakes natin, napaka-premium nila. Ang cake itself ay talagang mag-enjoy kang kainin siya.
Well, actually, no doubt kung bakit siya binabalik-balikan dun sa unang nakatikim dito is really mag-crave ka talaga. Yung parang after a long while na hindi mo natikman, you're gonna really think of it. Grabe, parang
ang sarap.
You're gonna miss yung taste niya. So again guys, if you're interested to check this out, available po sila sa Foodpanda and Grab. Gusto mo nang bumisita dito sa SM City Clark.
They are located dito sa may second floor ng SM City Clark. Ang pinaka-landmark nila is yung malapit siya sa may wellness center.
So there you have it guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa aming mga channels, please do so para po updated kayo sa mga pinupuntahan natin dito sa Pampanga.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye.